Okay, I've got a TV and a microwave. What else?
I have a record player that I did not get with records.
Who put out the record player?
When she took everything from the curb and put it in the garage, I thought that it was all in the garage. I didn't know nothing about the record player.
Just a second. Who put everything in the garage?
When they came and got their stuff from outside, they asked me if they could put it back in my garage, and I allowed them to put it back in my garage.
Okay, so you had taken out the stuff,
Right.
put it at the curb. Who did you have a conversation with? Which
Erica and Bobby both.
Well, tell me about that, please.
The conversation well, it was a text message, but I don't have it on my phone. I told Erica that her stuff was being put outside, and she said, okay, put it outside. So I put it outside. Bobby told me that they wouldn't be able to come and get it right away. When they did get there, they asked if they could put it in my garage until a later date.
And where is it?
They didn't come and get it until later on. And like a couple weeks later is when
But
they came and got it.
did come and get it?
Yes.
Okay, I got it. Stand up. You're Bobby?
Yes.
Okay, Bobby. You remember having a conversation with Miss Black about asking her if you could put the stuff back in the garage?
I do not.
Do you remember coming and picking up the stuff from the curb?
Yes.
Yes.
The only thing we picked up that day were just like a tote full of clothes. That's the only thing that was at the curb.
Okay, and the day that you came up and picked up clothes
Yes.
that was on the curb,
Yes.
you did or did not have a conversation with Miss Black?
I did not.
Do you know if her daughter had a conversation with her? Were you present when her daughter had a conversation with her?
I was there and we did not have a conversation.
So that none of the other stuff was put back in the garage?
No.
Was there a television?
No, there's no television.
And was there a microwave?
No, ma'am.
And when you came back with your girlfriend to
Yes.
pick up the stuff from the curb, did you have a police escort?
Yes.
Do you have a police report?
Yes, we do.
I'd like to see it.
Okay.
Also, I have text messages.
Well, the police officer says the police officer spoke with somebody, I don't know who advised that Erica has a lot of property left in the residence and she has no intentions of keeping the items from Erica. She also stated that she placed some of the items outside because she did not want Erica coming into the house and causing problems. Then the officer says, I stood by while Erica removed her items from inside the residence and placed them in the detached garage. While Erica was inside the residence, she noticed her 32-inch flat-screen television was missing, asked where the television was, and advised that it was placed outside with a tote. The television was no longer there. I spoke with, I assume it was you, who advised she did in fact place the tote and the television outside for Erica and advised she started placing the items outside because she knew Erica would start a fight when she was in the residence. I advised that unless she was willing to reimburse Erica for the television that was stolen from the front yard, I would complete a report, and which he did. Erica advised me that the television was valued at $125. I provided her with a case sheet which included my name and number. Television, $125. Period. That's what the police officer said. You have a counterclaim for rent.
Yes, ma'am, I do.
That's dismissed. Judgment for the plaintiff in the amount of $125. We're finished.
Parties are excused. You may step out.
It's funny because there was really no sense in bringing me to court.
Nothing happens. She's worthless.
You don't go to court and sue your parents for anything.
I don't want nothing to do with them.
You don't do that to your parents.
Definitely go our separate ways. I don't want nothing to do with her.
I'm just gonna go about my merry way and live my life.